Now we will see question number 32. Construct a triangle ABC with sides BC equal to 6 cm, AB equal to 5 cm and angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So first we will construct the triangle ABC. Now we have been given side BC equal to 6 cm. So first we draw a line segment BC whose length is 6 cm. So with the help of a ruler, we will first construct a line segment BC of 6 cm. Now AB is 5 cm and angle ABC is 60 degree. So then we will construct angle ABC which is given of 60 degree. For that we will make use of compass and we can make the angle of 60 degree. We will take the compass, we will make some arc in it and draw that arc like this with the needle of the compass at point B. We make an arc and with the same arc, with the same length of arc, we will cut the previous arc like this, and thus joining of these 2 points will give us the angle B as 60 degree. So this angle is now 60 degree angle. Now since AB equal to 5 cm, we take 5 cm arc in the compass and cut it on this line and obtain the point A, and then we will join point A and C like this, and thus we have obtained triangle ABC whose sides are BC as 6 cm, AB as 5 cm and angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Now we are to construct another triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. For that we take this 3/4 ratio which we have been given. Now out of 3/4 we find that 4 is more. So we make an acute angle like this, and which is more, 3 and 4, out of 3 and 4, 4 is more. So we make 4 cuts of any length on this line, and let these points are B1, B2, B3 and B4. Then we will join B4 with C and we will make lines parallel to B4C from B3 like this, from B2 like this and B1 like this. We can make use of set square, otherwise we can draw these parallel lines using compass also. Now we have divided this line segment BC in 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let this point is C dash and draw a parallel line from C dash parallel to AC like this and obtain a point A dash. Now our triangle A dash B C dash is our required triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So our required triangle is triangle A dash C dash B. This is our required triangle. Now we can have a proof of this also. See, this line segment BC is divided in 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, both all are equal parts. So BC dash upon C dash C. This as per construction is 3 upon 1. So BC upon BC dash, BC we can write BC dash plus C dash C. So it is BC dash plus C dash C upon BC dash. If we divide it, we will find it is 1 plus C dash C upon BC dash. And we have been given that this BC dash upon C dash C is 3 upon 1. So it is 1 upon 3. So this gives us 1 up plus 1 upon 3, that is 4 upon 3. This gives us BC dash upon BC is equal to 3 upon 4. Now, since AC and C dash A dash are parallel lines, so triangles, we can write it here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B C dash, which means BC dash upon BC equal to A dash C dash upon AC equal to A dash B upon AB, because these two lines are parallel, and we know that if we draw a line parallel to third side in a triangle joining two sides of the triangle, then the triangles we obtain are similar triangles. Now BC dash upon BC, we have seen that it is 3 upon 4. So hence we can say that the triangle A dash C dash B we have obtained has sides 3 upon 4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Now we will see the question which is given as OR in the given question. Now we will see the question which is given as OR with question 32. Draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Take a point P outside the circle and at a distance of 7 centimeter from the center of the circle, and construct a pair of tangents to the circle from that point. See, first we have to draw a circle with radius as 3.5 centimeter. So first we will draw the circle. Suppose the center of the circle is O with radius as 3.5 centimeter. So this we have taken as 3.5 centimeter. With the help of compass, we can do this activity. Take the compass, now measure 3.5 centimeter on the ruler, and with that arc, if we put the needle at point O and make a circle, we will obtain this circle. Now we have to take a point P which is outside from the center of the circle by 7 centimeter. So from this point O we take a point. This is our P point. Now OP we have seen, we can take it in this direction also, in this direction also, in any of the directions. So we have taken OP as 7 centimeter. OP we have taken as 7 centimeter. That is point P is 7 centimeter away from O. Now we are to draw tangents from point P. We are to take the midpoint of OP. We can make use of compass also. We are to take an arc more than half and construct an arc here. Similarly, we will be constructing an arc in this direction. Now from point P with the same length of arc, this arc is cut and this arc is cut, and we are to join. So we obtain the midpoint. Suppose this midpoint is M. Clearly, if OP is 7 centimeter, midpoint will be the point which will be there on the circle. Now, with M as center, we construct a circle taking radius as OM or OP, because both are same, and we draw a circle. Now, 2 points are obtained. Let these 2 points are A and B. And if I join A with P, I obtain this line, and B with P, I obtain this line. And these are my required tangents. So one tangent is AP and second tangent is BP. Now why they are tangent? See, this is semicircle. Similarly, this is semicircle. And if I join O with A, I can say that any angle made in semicircle is a right angle. So this angle is a right angle, and we know that PA has to be right angle, then only PA will be tangent to the circle. So this is how I obtain the tangents to the circle from point P.